Good evening. Oscar Pistorius is a free man for now. Judge Thokozile Masipa extended his bail at the North Gauteng High Court after the athlete was convicted of culpable homicide.
Pistorius was also found guilty on a charge of recklessly discharging a firearm, but acquitted on 2 other firearms-related charges.
As the 27-year-old double amputee entered court, the final curtain would fall.
Mr. Pistorius, please stand up.
But there was no surprise in Judge Masipa's verdict on the main charge.
The unanimous decision of this court is the following. 1. On count 1, murder read with section 51(1) of the Criminal Law Amendment Act 105 of 1997, the accused is found not guilty and is discharged. Instead, he is found guilty of culpable homicide.
Much to the Steenkamp family's disbelief. Masipa found that the Paralympian was negligent when he pulled the trigger. In a second case of negligence, Pistorius was found guilty of discharging a firearm at an upmarket restaurant.
It really does not matter what caused the firearm to discharge. He should not therefore have asked for a firearm in a public place.
But the unreliability of the state's witnesses in a second firearms charge, in which Pistorius shot through a sunroof of a moving car, cost the prosecution. So too when Masipa's dismissal of an additional charge on possession of illegal ammunition.
The state has failed to prove that the accused had the necessary animus to possess the ammunition. He therefore cannot be found guilty on this count.
Then Pistorius had to spend an hour in holding cells while Masipa deliberated on whether his bail would be extended.
Having regard to the above, I have used my discretion in favor of the accused. I grant the application to extend the bail of the accused on the same conditions. Court will adjourn.
Well, Oscar Pistorius may have escaped jail time for now, but he'll be back at this court for 3 days on October the 13th for pre-sentencing hearings, which will determine whether he will spend time behind bars.
Mr. Pistorius, do you have any words for South Africa?
Criselda Lewis, SABC News, at the North Gauteng High Court.